Welcome to a new chapter in orthopedic surgery, where precision, innovation, and expertise converge to redefine recovery and resilience. Today, under the skilled hands of Dr. Sivakumar, an esteemed orthopedic surgeon, we witnessed the meticulous creation of a robust anterior cruciate ligament graft for the knee. This procedure is not just a surgery, it's a transformation, ensuring the knee's stability and functionality are restored for future endeavors. Each step, from the graft's tensioning to its secure fixation with an absorbable bias screw, is performed under stringent aseptic conditions, highlighting our unwavering commitment to patient safety and success. The use of a waterproof drape underscores our dedication to maintaining an uncontaminated environment, setting a new standard for surgical excellence. But our commitment doesn't end there. The repair of a complex tear in the posterior horn of the medial meniscus, the knee's critical shock absorber, with 2 vertical mattress stitches illustrates our refusal to compromise on quality. This method, chosen for its superior strength over the cost-saving horizontal stitches, ensures the integrity and functionality of the knee are uncompromised, paving the way for a future where sports and activity are not just possibilities but certainties. As we close this chapter, we look forward to the journey of rehabilitation, where dedication and expert guidance will restore strength and confidence, marking the beginning of a new era in orthopedic surgery. With Dr. Sivakumar's visionary approach, the future of knee recovery isn't just hopeful, it's assured. Thank you for being part of this revolutionary journey towards healing and beyond.